So today we are at Darlington Provincial Park camping for the weekend. So Darlington Provincial Park has its own little hiking trails, and I've been on part of them, some of them. The Robinson Creek Trail, McLaughlin Bay Trail, and last night I went out to the beach. I think I was on the McLaughlin Bay Trail last night, and when I went out to the beach to do the sunset. But I'm going to try to get on a couple of these trails later today and maybe do some video. And there's the Burke Trail, the Robinson Creek Trail, McLaughlin Bay Trail, Waterfront Trail, and a campground trail. The campground trail is actually, it just goes right through my site actually, so it's not considered, it's a trail, but who wants to hike through a campground? So this is the Lookout Trail. I'm not sure what it's overlooking, but it's the Lookout Trail at Darlington Provincial Park. And we're gonna go check it out. It's gonna be a beautiful evening. I haven't eaten dinner yet, so I gotta make this quick. So I'm at the lookout at Darlington Provincial Park. Yes, they do have a lookout. There's not much to see up here, but I'm going to carry on. But it is a way to get away from the crowds at the beach. There's actually, there's lots to do here at Darlington actually, and but if you're expecting to come here, this thing's giving me a hassle. Okay, if you're expecting to come here and enjoying the beach in privacy, forget about it. I don't know if you can hear the background, but that's the beach. There's thousands of people there in the middle of a pandemic, but I went out there and then I left because it's just too many people. But there are trails like this that come through the forest, and if the beach is not your thing, or it's too crowded, there's always the hiking trails. The Burke Trail I passed on the way up here, so I'm gonna go check that out and get out of here, because this is the lookout. You can see Lake Ontario, but it's not that spectacular. It might be a little bit more spectacular at night. I don't think I'm gonna come up here at night. This is Tom Worsley from Ontario Hiking Trails, and if you like my channel and if you like videos on hiking and provincial parks, conservation areas, mixed in with a little bit of photography, please subscribe to my channel. Down here on my left and on your right is a red subscribe button. Click on the red subscribe button, then click on the bell and click all, and you'll get a notification every time I upload a new video. So this is the Burke Trail. This is a 2.25 kilometer trail, hiking trail. Takes you through a variety of ecosystems, open field, mature forest, along the shoreline of McLaughlin Bay. So it's a pretty cool trail. I'm not going to do the whole thing because I want to do some more beach pictures tonight, and I've only got about 2 hours to eat my dinner, make dinner, eat dinner, and get back out there. So some pretty big puffballs here. Somebody smashed one on the trail. Alright, so this is interesting. I didn't know this was here. A pioneer cemetery. The first settlement in the Darlington area took place on October 2nd, October 2nd, 1794, when John Burke, Roger Conant, and John W. Troll arrived with their families from New York State. They landed at Barber's Creek, now Bowmanville Creek, in response to Governor Simcoe's offer of free land to any man over 18 years of age. John Burke eventually moved back to the United States, but 3 of his sons returned. In 1819, Samuel Burke acquired 100 acres of land, at lot 33 of the Broken Front, which is now part of Darlington Provincial Park. Samuel Burke and his family may have been the first people to live on the present park land. Interesting. I did not know this. Oh, there is writing on it. There's writing on this side of the stone, but I can't read it. Alright, so apparently this trail links up with the Lookout Trail, so I didn't have to drive down there. I could have just taken the Burke Trail to the Lookout Trail, but I didn't know that, so yeah, it's worth doing if, like I said, if you want to get away from the beaches, or if you're not into beaches and you need to get away from the campsite. Yeah, the Burke Trail is worth coming to do. Yeah. Excellent.